best brake rotor resurfacing tools ensure smooth braking, restore rotor performance, prevent vibration, extend lifespan, and enhance overall vehicle safety. My today's video is about top 5 best brake rotor resurfacing tools that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Henco Wheel Hub Resurfacing Kit. If you're looking to maintain your vehicle's braking system at peak performance, this wheel hub resurfacing kit is a game changer. Hammer and wrench professional grade performance is at its core, featuring 7 specialized cleaning pads that effortlessly strip rust from lug studs and brake rotors while preserving the underlying metal. It's perfect for mechanics seeking efficiency without compromise. The kit offers universal compatibility, fitting any 1/2-inch wrench or electric drill, and its standardized connectors integrate seamlessly with your existing workshop tools. With advanced cleaning technology, reinforced abrasives remove corrosion effectively without damaging sensitive components, ensuring brake rotors and hubs maintain precise tolerances and factory-smooth surfaces. Durability is unmatched. Heat-resistant construction and wear-proof pads allow daily professional use without degradation. The complete restoration solution includes all necessary components, from rust removal discs to fly interfaces, handling light maintenance and heavy corrosion alike. This kit transforms tedious rust removal into a fast, reliable, and professional-grade process, keeping your braking system safe and efficient. Now our second product is Top Wheel Hub Cleaning Toolkit. For anyone serious about automotive maintenance, the Top Wheel Hub Resurfacing Kit is a must-have. Professional kit design ensures quick and effective rust removal on lug studs and rotors, helping wheels sit flush and maintain perfect balance. It tackles surface rust and buildup efficiently, preventing vibrations and uneven wear. The precision polishing discs are expertly crafted with the right grit to remove corrosion without harming the underlying metal. Their small size makes them ideal for tight spots that an angle grinder simply can't reach, making even the smallest cleaning jobs effortless. Compatibility is another highlight. This kit works seamlessly with electric drills or 1/2-inch impact wrenches, and the included 1/2-inch adapter adds extra versatility. Simple operation means you can attach it to your drill instantly and get to work, with 7 additional hook and loop resurfacing discs ensuring long-term usability. The kit includes everything you need: 1/4-inch drive hub cleaning tool, 1/2-inch adapter, and 7 resurfacing discs, offering a complete, professional-grade solution for maintaining clean, rust-free wheel hubs. Our third product is CHXLQQX Wheel Hub Cleaning Tool Kit. The Wheel Hub Resurfacing Kit is a must-have for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics aiming for spotless, rust-free hubs. Hammer and wrench professional rust removal is at its core. This kit effectively eliminates surface rust and buildup on lug studs and rotors, ensuring wheels sit flush and balanced for smoother, safer driving. Its durable construction delivers reliable polishing performance, restoring hub surfaces efficiently without compromising integrity. Precision and surface protection are guaranteed with precision grit discs and ABS-reinforced design. Even grinding force prevents damage, while heat dissipation extends the life of components naturally, making it ideal for repeated use. Universal compatibility allows the tool to work with electric drills or 1/2-inch wrenches, and the included dual-purpose adapter enhances versatility, handling rust removal, deburring, and hub maintenance with ease. Effortless operation comes via hook and loop discs and straightforward setup, plus 5 replacement discs for extended use. The complete kit includes a 1/4-inch drive hub tool, 1/2-inch adapter, and 5 resurfacing discs, delivering a professional, all-in-one solution for reliable, long-lasting wheel hub care. Now number 4, Esker Wheel Hub Cleaning Tool. The 5+1 Professional Wheel Cleaning Kit is a versatile, all-in-one solution for maintaining wheels, hubs, and brake components. Designed for efficiency and precision, it easily removes brake dust, rust, and stubborn dirt from alloy wheels, nuts, and bolts using 6 durable brush heads, a holder, and an adapter. Its sturdy construction ensures reliable performance across a variety of applications, doubling as both a wheel cleaning and brake hub resurfacing tool. rust prevention and lug nut maintenance are key benefits. The robust metal grinding head polishes surfaces smoothly, eliminating corrosion without causing damage, helping maintain safer driving conditions. Built with upgraded, durable ABS material, the kit distributes grinding force evenly, protects surfaces, and dissipates heat efficiently, extending component lifespan during repeated use. The kit includes all necessary accessories, 6 brush heads, a holder, and a dual-purpose connector, offering flexible integration with ratchet wrenches for versatile automotive tasks. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for cars, SUVs, trucks, UTVs, and trailers, ensuring fast, effective wheel and cleaning and hub resurfacing every time. And our last choice is Performance Tool W80105 Wheel Hub. The Hub Resurfacing Pad Kit is an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain clean, rust-free lug studs and brake rotors. These pads are designed to quickly and efficiently remove rust buildup, restoring surfaces for improved wheel fitment and balanced performance. Ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics, the kit works on cars, light trucks, and SUVs, covering front and rear brake hubs and rotors. The holder is compatible with standard power drills, and the sanding pads attach easily with a simple half-turn thread, making setup fast and hassle-free. The kit includes a 1/4 inch shaft holder and 5 sanding pads, each capable of handling studs up to 1/2 inch in diameter, providing versatility across a wide range of vehicles. For optimal results, the pads should be run at speeds of 2,500 revolutions per minute or less, ensuring efficient rust removal without damaging the metal surfaces. This hub resurfacing kit delivers a reliable, safe, and professional-grade solution for keeping your brake hubs and rotors in top condition, extending part life and enhancing driving safety. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.